product on yellow gold earrings from Max & Stone store, and I'll be unboxing this product to show you guys what it looks like. It comes in a really cute blue box like this. The backing of the strap is magnetic, so you can adjust it to however you like. I'm gonna open this up. And I'm assuming this is where you can put your earrings on. This is the product. Oh, they're so tiny. These earrings have the following color. You can get them in white gold, yellow gold, rose gold. In my case, I got the 14 karat yellow gold. This style is called stud earrings and it's unisex, so it can be worn by men or women. This product has genuine Swarovski zirconia. As for size measurement, each earring weighs 1.5 carat, so the total weight for the pair is 3 carat. These earrings are very sturdy, so it won't bend, and the stones are fully secured. As you can see here, each of the earring has 4 prongs, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And you can secure it with the butterfly pushback. Now I'll show you guys what it looks like in person. I currently have no earrings right now, and then I'm gonna insert this in my ear hole. It's super easy to apply on. That's one side, this one. On my other side, I'm gonna secure it. Oh, it looks so cute. This is my left side, and this is my right side. I think the size fits my earlobes perfectly. Overall, I love how elegant these earrings are. It's very classy and timeless stud earrings. Just to give you guys an example, it would be perfect for birthdays, anniversaries, Mother's Days, weddings, bridal showers, Christmas, graduation. Oh, the list is endless. You can get this for anyone, honestly. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!